Hey, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons on this XIAOMI. First of all, you need to hold your device's display. Then click on Settings at the bottom right corner over here next to Widgets and tap on More. Following that, you need to scroll down and click on Icon Size. Now swipe left or right in order to pick the perfect one. You can see a preview here. And when you're ready, tap on the back button twice. Then choose Done at the top right corner, and as you can see, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!